Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free cornbread with Frankie's all-purpose gluten-free flour. So we want to start by combining all of our dry ingredients, and I have cornmeal, Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. So I want to mix this in. And while that's mixing, I'm going to combine all of my wet ingredients. I have oil, milk, buttermilk, and 3 eggs. Two, 3. I'm going to lightly combine all of these, and then I'm going to add it to my dry ingredients. Now I want to take a greased 9 by 13 pan. I've also added a little bit of parchment paper into the pan just to prevent it from sticking just that much better. And we're going to pour this in. Oh, look at how easy this is. Cornbread never tasted so good. Okay, I'm going to put that in the oven for 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that cornbread. I'm just going to put a skewer in just to see if it's done. Oh, and it's perfect. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that. Gluten-free cornbread. Enjoy. This is going to be great with a chili or chicken noodle soup or anything. It even works great as just a little side dish with a little bit of butter, warm. Nothing beats fresh baked. Thanks for watching.